Christy, and you are watching Big Review TV, where today we are visiting London Shoreditch. We are checking out the restaurant here called Bird. They specialise in fried chicken. All of their chickens here that they serve are gluten-free and free range. Let's go check it out. For the best chicken in Shoreditch, definitely head down here to Bird. The chicken tastes amazing and they've got such a cool vibe in here. I'm Christy, this is Big Review TV. Download our app and check us out online. I'll see you soon.